If you want to enhance the functionality of your Google Chrome browser on your Chromebook, then you can install Chrome extensions. Chrome extensions are the add-ons for your Google Chrome browser that can add more functionality to your Google Chrome browser, also improving your Chromebook experience. Here in this video, we will discuss how we can install Chrome extension on Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, simply click on this app launcher icon and here look for Web Store. Simply click on this icon. If you don't get Web Store icon on App Store, then you can simply visit chromewebstore.google.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll put the link in the description box. Here you find extensions that can enhance your browsing experience. To install extension, you can simply click on this extension tab, or else you can simply search for the extension that you want to install. However, if you don't know what extension you are going to install, then you can simply use this Discover tab. Here you will get category-wise extension. Say for example, if you want a tool, then you can simply click on this tool category and here you will find all the tool extension. Simply select the extension that you want to install. Then click on this Add to Chrome button. Here you will find a prompt to confirm the action. To confirm your action, simply click on Add Extension and it will be downloaded on your Chromebook device. Once the download complete, it will automatically install the extension on your Chrome browser. To access the extension, you can simply click on this extension icon and here you will find all the extensions that you have installed on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can install extension on your Chromebook. However, if you are looking to update extension on your Chromebook, then we already have a video on how you can update all the extensions that are installed on your Chromebook in a single click. So I'll put the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.